Hello everybody, welcome to Build Fly Go. Another build week for us. We're getting pretty close to actually being done with all of the wing bits. As you might remember, we were waiting on some wing parts for the right wing and the top skins on both wings that came with the fuselage kit. And the left wing is effectively done, and we've already moved it into the house. And this is the right wing that had some ribs missing, and you can see us here riveting those ribs in. I put some pieces of tape on the ribs that were missing. You can see them. Well, now you can't. The blue tape on top of the ribs. And so over the next couple of days here in this video, you're going to see us, looks like I'm dimpling all of the ribs and everything that was remaining and clecoing all those skins on. It's a ton of work to cleco those skins. Quick tip there. You'll notice there's a stringer that goes down the middle of the wing, a stiffener, and there's a rivet that is covered by that stiffener on the ribs. My recommendation is for you to do that one rivet on all of the ribs without the stringer, the stiffener in place. So pull it out, do that one rivet on each of the ribs, and then slide the stiffener in place, and then cleco everything together and get it done. It's going to save you some nasty riveting work later. It's really tough to get to that one. So here we go. Yeah, back riveting. I've talked a little bit about back riveting in some of my videos, and that's back riveting right there. Well, you'll see either Mary or myself holding the big heavy weight on the front of the skin. You can see it in my hand there. And on the flip side, there is a offset, or either a double offset riveter or just a back rivet set that is hitting on the shop side of the rivet directly instead of on the manufactured side of the rivet. So it's a little different from regular riveting, but it provides a much nicer finish on the wing skins. It's much smoother. You can see the reflection, how there's very little down the rivet lines. There's very little waviness. It's nice and smooth. And if you look at the top at the rivet lines for where the rear spar is, where we did regular riveting, there's a little, you can tell, right? Like there's a little bit of sort of a distortion in the reflection there that doesn't exist down the ribs and down the stiffener. So really interesting. Another riveting technique that you can see in our how-to videos. But yeah, so here I am working on the gap fairings. There's a flap gap fairing, and there's an aileron gap fairing that goes on the inside not the inside, the rear bottom of the wing. It attaches to the rear spar and to the top wing skin. And I got that taken care of and out of the way. We're going to rotate here and close some of this out. Let's see. While Mary is out, I'm just working on a couple of different little things. Right now I was working on the more of that gap fairing. That's a good view of it right there. And I was also working on the ailerons. Here we go. There was the aileron trim motor, and now I'm actually working on the ailerons themselves. If you remember, the right aileron was missing a couple of parts, and now that I have that, I can rivet everything together. And you'll see I'll get as far. I'm actually riveting the top skin by myself. It's rare for you to see me riveting things by myself, but I'm riveting the top skin by myself there, and I'll get that done, and then I'm going to put it aside for when Mary gets a chance to come out here. Now we're doing the same with the right spar. I was missing the right spar. I'm sorry, the right flap spar was the piece that was missing. So now that we have it and it's primed, I'm cleaking everything in place and squeezing those rivets to get the skeleton taken care of there. And gonna make some progress. We're gonna set it up, and Mary's gonna come out and help me rivet that front skin of the spar. You'll notice that the flap and the aileron use the same little sort of wooden brackets that you see there. I made 4 of them, which are enough to get one of them done at a time. But anyway, lots of progress this past week. Thanks for watching, as usual. I appreciate you guys being there, and feel free to send any questions or comments. We'll talk soon. Have a great day.